Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's dive into our word of the day, alongside. This is a B2 level preposition that means next to or together with. It's such a versatile word, and we're going to explore how you can use it effectively in your conversations. When we use alongside, we often mean something is physically next to something else or happening together with something. For example, Park runs alongside the river, or she worked alongside her colleagues on the project. It's a great word to show collaboration or proximity. Some synonyms for alongside include beside, next to, and together with. Here's an example. The bicycle path runs beside the road, or he studied together with his friends for the exam. Each of these conveys a similar sense of being close or in cooperation. Now, let's look at antonyms to understand the opposite idea. Antonyms for alongside might include apart, separately, or independently. For instance, you might say, they worked independently on their assignments, or the houses are located apart from each other on the hill. These examples highlight distance or separation. In everyday life, you might hear alongside in various contexts. Imagine you're talking about teamwork. I'm grateful to have worked alongside such talented people. Or perhaps you're describing locations. The cafe is right alongside the bookstore. It's useful in both casual and formal settings. Here are some more examples of alongside in sentences. The charity organized events alongside the local government to raise awareness. The soldiers marched alongside their comrades during the parade. The new software will be implemented alongside the existing system. So, to wrap up, we've learned that alongside is a B2 level preposition that means next to or together with. It's commonly used to describe physical proximity or collaboration, with synonyms like beside and together with, and antonyms like apart and independently. I hope you feel confident using alongside in your conversations. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge. Try creating your own sentence using alongside and share it as a comment. I'd love to see how you use this word. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the beauty of language.
See you soon.